Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can delete your Temu account. First and foremost, open the Temu app on your device. Here you'll have to make sure that you're already logged into your account. Now on the bottom section of your screen, besides the categories option, you can see the profile icon. Tap on it and you'll be led to your profile section. On the top right corner of your screen, you can see a gear button. If you tap on it, you'll be led to your settings page. On this page, on the top of your screen, you can see 3 green buttons. Tap on the first, that is account security button. Similarly, on this page, on the last option, you can view delete your Temu account button. Click on it and you'll be led to your deletion page. On this page, you'll be able to see how you can delete your Temu account or cautions before permanently deleting your Temu account. If you further proceed with this process, Temu will delete the data and content in your account in accordance with the applicable law and as prescribed in the privacy policy. If you'd like to get more information about this, you can simply read what is written on the screen. After that, you'll have to tap on the circle button that states I want to permanently delete my Temu account and then on the continue button. Likewise, you'll be led to this page where you'll have to select the main reason for deleting your account. You'll have some options like unsatisfied with products or logistics, having multiple accounts, or so on. If you have another reason, simply tap on the circle button. If you do not want to give a reason, you can simply tap on the last option. Here I'm going to tap on the safety or privacy concerns option and tap on the continue button. You'll then view this pop-up. You'll have to simply tap on the continue deleting button. And again, a pop-up will appear on your screen asking if you're sure you want to delete the account. Tap on the delete button and you'll be asked to verify your identity. By tapping on the first option, you'll receive a verification code by Temu to verify your account. Open the email that you've received from Temu and copy the code as shown on the screen. Paste the code on this box and you'll have successfully requested for an account deletion. Here you'll view this pop-up that says that your account deletion request has been successfully received. Similarly, you'll be automatically signed out of your account and it will be deleted in 7 business days. However, if you log into your account within the 7 days, your account deletion request will be cancelled. Likewise, if you yourself would like to cancel the account deletion request, all you'll have to do is sign into your account and the account deletion request will be cancelled. After this, you'll be automatically signed out of your account and your account will be deleted within 7 business days. So it is that easy to delete your account on Temu. And if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.